how the image of a writer, what kind of impact does that have on what you've written and the reception of your work?
It's an interesting question because there are some writers whose personalities are not that known, and their work is known more. I'm not sure if that's the case with me.
It's not.
The personality is equally, and I think that's because of that poster boy of middle class success thing. Because they see me as somebody who studied for these exams and did all the right things the parents told them to do, and then left it all and then started another journey and did it. So I think that itself is the story, apart from my stories. So that is why there's an extra attention on me, I often find. That I represent that middle class aspiration, in that way. But it's okay. I mean, I'd like to think that's not all there is to me. I mean, I like to bring attention to the issues I raise in my books, in my columns, and otherwise. But that is why I think that is happening. That whereas they see me as somebody who came from a different path, changed gears, and did it again. So that is my.
With a book, notebook, and a pen sometime soon. Do
That
you see
is
yourself
very
becoming a
interesting.
writer?
No, that's very interesting because a lot of people have told me that I could become a writer, and I always look at their faces blank because I don't think I have it in me to write at all. I don't think at all that I can be a writer. But very strangely, people think very highly of me, which is great. But the fact remains that if ever given a thought, probably I would be able to, but I choose to believe that I can't. But I like writers a lot. In fact, my husband is a writer, and he writes beautiful love stories. My very close friend Jaideep is a writer, so I love interacting and chatting with him. And what I love about writers is that they have a wonderful worldview of things. And Jaideep especially is a very interesting friend in my life because from the time I met him, I realized that there could be film people who could be talking things other than films as well. So I think Jaideep is the welcome change in my life.
You should take the risk. I'm sure you'll come out well.
Amazing and it's great, and it's my first festival that I've come to, first literary festival, and I love the atmosphere. I've never been to one, and it's amazing to see such lovely young people bubbling with so much of excitement and close to literature and talking about so many different subjects, meeting up with authors and writers and taking a leaf from their life. And it's amazing that one can spend so much time just being under the tree and on the garden and eating and talking about lovely things. So it's great, and I'm sure you guys are really lucky to have such festivals. So thank you, Vikram, for organizing these things. Hopefully next year, if ever Bangalore Festival is in the winter, I'll come for some more time.